This is Sarah Broninger of the New Horizons Academy with a math video on greatest common factor, least common multiple. This is the second video, which gives the formulas.
All right. To find the greatest common factor, I'm going to need all of the ingredients of 80 and the ingredients of 120. If I were to do a factor tree, like I did in the other video, 2 times 40, 2 times 20, 2 times 10, 2 times 5, I would get the ingredients as this. 2 times 60, 2 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 5. These are the ingredients that make up 80 and make up 120. So I'm looking for the factors they have in common. Well, they both have this 5, and they both have 3 2's. So they both have 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, which is 40. So the thought in finding the greatest common factor is look at the ingredients of both numbers, the prime ingredients, and find the ingredients they both have. And if you put them together, that will be the biggest factor you can find in 120 and in 80. I'm going to do another one. I'm going to look for the biggest factors they have in common. First, I have to get their ingredients. 90 is 3 times 30, which is 3 times 10, which is 2 times 5. 150 is 2 times 75, which is 3 times 25, which is 5 times 5. So these are their ingredients. What ingredients do they have in common? They have a 2, they have a 3, and a 5. So 30 is the biggest number they have in common. Least common multiple. Once again, I'm going to need the ingredients of each number. This is a way that these two processes are similar. You have to have the ingredients. So that'd be 2 times 40, 2 times 20, 2 times 10, 2 times 5. 2 times 60, 2 times 30, 3 times 10, 2 times 5. Okay. This number that I'm looking for, I'm going to say it goes in this box, is going to be a multiple of 80. And it's going to be a multiple of 120. That means it must have all the ingredients of 80. Wouldn't be a multiple of 80 if it didn't have the ingredients of 80. So it's going to have 80 in it. That's 80 right there. It's going to have all of these ingredients to be a multiple of 120. Well, it already has a couple of 2's, 3 2's right there. And it already has a 5 right there. What it doesn't have is a 3. Aha. So this number now has all the ingredients of 120. 2, 2, 3, 2, 5. 2, 2, 3, 2, 5. And all the ingredients of 80 right there in orange. So it has the ingredients of both. It will be a multiple of both of them. It will be 240. 240 is a multiple of 80. It's 3 80's. It's a multiple of 120. It's 2 120's. So I've found the smallest multiple these two numbers have in common by taking their ingredients and making sure that my new number has all the ingredients of each of the numbers, but no more than I need to have. I'll do another one of these. Let's do 90 and 150, just like the other board. All right, my number, to be a multiple of 90, must have all the ingredients of 90. To be a multiple of 150, must have all the ingredients of 150. Well, there's a 2 there, so that's taken care of. There's a 3 there, so that's taken care of. And there's a 5, so that's taken care of. But I need to have another 5. So my answer is going to be 450. 450 is 3 150's. It's a multiple of 150. And it's 5 90's. It's a multiple of 90. It is the smallest multiple that these two numbers have in common.